It's an exciting year. The Carlton Tower is going to reopen this autumn. It's going to, in my opinion, redefine what luxury hospitality is all about.
This hotel is going to be incredible. We really are in a very beautiful, privileged location right in the heart of London. We're like a city hotel that's hidden in a beautiful retreat.
Very excited to be part of this team, relaunching the Carlton Tower, bringing back the legacy of this amazing building, starting everything from scratch.
It's so exciting to be in from the beginning and be one of the team that starts this whole exciting journey. The builders are there building the hotel and we're there creating what the hotel will be once we open those doors.
This is the most exciting journey for anyone that wants to be in hospitality and grow his career. We have an opportunity to participate in setting new standards and being part of something.
Curating very creative concepts, allowing our teams to have their own personality and to interact with guests and collect their own way is very exciting.
I get to go out and find fantastic talent from London, from the UK, from overseas, and build a team together, which I really love.
There is already a wealth of expertise, of experience, and I think that's going to be a great way to lead and welcome our new colleagues.
We're very open-minded, we've got a clean slate. We're going to take this hotel forward and position it as one of the best hotels in London.
We're going to have a beautiful hotel that is not just the beauty of the individual rooms, the lobby, the F&B outlets, but it's going to come down to the people that we're going to bring in.
People with flair and a real love of interacting with people.
Energetic, enthusiastic, hardworking, dynamic people who want to come and make a difference.
What we do is a labor of love. Long hours and hard work, but the promise of growth, development, fun.
We're creating this team and everyone matters and everyone counts. It's such an exciting time to come and join us.
Come and join us and be part of something, because as we set out to build the future, we will build your future with us.